The breakfast sandwich. Bacon, 2 eggs, cheese, sauteed onion, and a Dijonnaise sauce. Good. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to make this handy dandy sandwich purse to take that sandwich anywhere you want to go and keep yourself clean. And while you're watching the 7-second intro, maybe consider subscribing. Thanks. Starting with a parchment-lined baking sheet, which will make cleanup a lot easier, go ahead and add your bacon, and then we're going to put that in a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, you'll have perfectly cooked bacon. And I've really enjoyed using the oven. I don't know the last time that I've used a stovetop, just a lot easier. Okay, the Dijonnaise, Dijon mustard and mayonnaise. This is a great combination. The mayo cuts down on the spiciness and heat of the Dijon, and the Dijon just gives the mayo a little bit of oomph. You start with a tablespoon of mayo and about a teaspoon of Dijon, 3-to-1 mixture, and just mix to incorporate. Moving on to the onion, I'm using a quarter of a red onion. You can use a white, sweet, or whatever onion you'd like, or no onion at all, but I really think this adds a lot of flavor. Moving on, we're going to add a tablespoon of clarified butter, link above on how to make it, so you don't have to spend $10 a pound in the store. And we're going to give these onions a little hit of salt, and let these go for about 5 to 8 minutes until you get the color that you're looking for. Next, I've greased up a couple of egg rings, and if you don't have egg rings, you can make them out of tin foil, or you could use the lid of a canning jar, or you could just go au naturel in the pan and have them hang over the edge of your muffin. Go ahead and slide a knife between the egg and the egg ring to make sure that they don't stick. And after that, spread out that yolk a bit and give them a flip. That was a little aggressive. If you don't like the crispy bottoms like I've got there, you can just turn the heat down, take them off a little sooner. Assembly time. We're going to add the Dijonnaise to both halves of the toasted English muffin. Next comes egg number 1. And I'm using American cheese here, but feel free to use whatever kind of cheese you like. I think the assembly order is important. As the cheese melts, it's going to hold those onions in place and that first layer of bacon to prevent spillage. But you go in any order you like. All right, second egg, and now the top. Now the part that some of you have been waiting for, the sandwich purse. I'm using a parchment pop-up, but you could just use your roll of parchment paper, wax paper, freezer paper, newspaper. I wouldn't use that. But we're going to go ahead and bring the top and bottom edges together. We're going to make a couple of folds here. So go ahead and crimp that and crease that across the sides. We're going to make another fold and do the same thing. And then the third fold, we're just going to kind of fold it and rest it on top of the sandwich. Now, put those sides straight down, and we're going to use our thumbs to work those sides of the paper between the bottom of the paper and the muffin. It sounds confusing, but once you feel it, you'll get the hang of it. And there you have it. Sandwich purse, keeping you clean and keeping the fillings in. Now let's get a look at the cross section, that sexy shot. Oh yeah, that looks good. Believe me, this paper is going to come in really handy. All right, we're going to give it a try here. And as you eat this, you don't want to take it out of the paper. Just maybe start with a little edge, kind of bring that out a little bit. But I don't need to tell you how to eat a sandwich. I'll tell you that's good. Nailed it. All right, folks, that's it. That's all we have for today. And thank you very much for watching. And until next time, get in the kitchen, put a smile on someone's face, keep a smile on yours. Above all, be a good human being, and let's take care of each other. Take care, everybody.